So, ladies and gentlemen, we're doing an Angry Birds Go. My name is Golia. My name is Stormo. Today we're having a race between a bird and a bird. Today's bird, first one is Orange Bird. He's big, he's little, and he's orange, and he has a big beak. The second one is Hale. Yeah, he's green, and he has an orange beak. Hi. And he has a fire truck, and it can make a noise. And he dances while it's happening. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the course. Okay, so you go down here, you go over there, and then you turn, then you go over here, and then you go over there, and then you go over here to dark place, and then you turn here, and then turn here, and then you have to touch this. This is the finish line, okay? Is that all good? Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Oink, 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 oink,
Yeah, I'm stuck. Oh, go.
Ow!
I need to go. Go.
No! Yeah. Dang it.
Whoa!
Dang it, I didn't go that far.
Go. Dang it. No, I fell off. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Whee! Whee! Ow. I fell off again.
No, I'm probably going to lose. Ow. I stayed on. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Ow. Uh-oh. I need to go. Ow. No. Whee!
Dang it. How did that happen? No.
So, you prepared to beat me? Yeah? What? already beaten me before. Well, probably because you didn't use your special move.